So I wanted to make a personal app on my phone where I can post to Instagram without actually having the app downloaded because I'm trying to, grow my business while also not scrolling very much. And then I found out how impossible it is to use the Instagram API. Um, Worked online for a while, found out a lot of other people have had this problem. So I wanted to make a tutorial today on how you can actually work with the Instagram API, do something similar, and hopefully end the headache of working with a terrible docs system. Another nice thing is that even though the docs make it really seem like you need a Facebook business account, all kinds of things to do something like this, you only need an Instagram business account. So once you got that set up, we are ready to go. First, what we want to do is go to developers.facebook.com and make your account. So I've already made my account, so it says my apps here, but for you it would say get started. Once you've made your account, you're going to go to this screen right here, which kind of shows all your apps. Obviously, if you've just created your account, it'll say nothing, and so now we create our app. What we want to do here when we're creating our app is these steps right here. So you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. We will do testing my app. Go ahead and click other, click business like this. And if everything looks good to you, we are good to create our app. We don't have to do a business portfolio or anything. Next, what we want to do is add the Instagram product to our app. We don't need anything else, even though the API really makes it seem like you need to connect to Facebook. In this case, where we're posting to Instagram, we do not. So what we can do is go ahead and do set up Instagram. All right, nice. So now all we need to do is generate your access token, this step right here, and then we'll pretty much have everything we need to post. Now you can't just go ahead and do add account from here for whatever reason. They want you to go somewhere else because, of course, they want to make this as hard as possible, as I found out yesterday. So first what we want to do is go to, where is it? Roles right here. And you're going to add your Instagram account. This is where you can actually link it and it'll let you post to your particular Instagram account. So for me, everyone should do Instagram tester, and then for me, you enter the username of your Instagram account you want to link. It'll let you do any account, don't have to worry about it being picky there. So Aiden Patrick Kane is my Instagram. Add it. Next, you're going to go to instagram.com/accounts/manage access. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. And then you'll be sent to this page right here. Come over to tester invites. And then you should get a button. I've already accepted everything because I've ran through this several times to kind of practice. But you should get like a button here that says allow. Click allow, and then you'll be good to go. Once you've done that and accepted it, come back over to your dashboard, come down here, Instagram API setup with Instagram login. And then previously when it said, add account, that's no longer there because we have successfully added our account. Now, the two important things to take note of here and copy and write down and save somewhere is this. This is your account ID, so copy that. I've already pasted it in for the example, but paste it in here. That's your account ID. And then go ahead and generate a token. What's going to happen here is it's going to just make you log into Instagram again. Once you do that and accept everything, it will give you your token, and then save that because it'll only show it to you once. Save that here. This is mine that I'm going to use for testing, and then we're good to go. Once we have those two things, we are good to make our post. We have everything we need to do. So the two steps to actually making a post from your computer, from code, is you first have to make the container, and then you use the container to do a separate thing where you publish that container. So first we make our container using this format right here, this exact format. So here's our format for actually creating the container. You are going to want to, first of all, this is a post request. If you're not familiar, you can pretty much make one of these in whatever coding language you want to make it in. For us, we are going to build our post request like this. And then what you want to change out for your thing is put in your account ID right here after v23.0 before media, put it in right there. And then put in your access token that was generated for your account. This was mine. And then of course your content that you want to actually post. So it needs to be a public URL like this. So here's mine of just a video that I have a URL for. And then your media type, I'm doing Reels. You can change it to whatever you want for extra information on, what you can post. Like if you want it to be a picture, you change it to image URL. Um, Media type, you can do video, Reel, stories, whatever you want it to be. And this is straight from the docs, so this is still good to go. So now what we want to do, that we've built out our post request for creating the container, is go ahead and copy it. Go into your terminal. You do clear to just make it clear what's going on here. So you've copied it, clear again, paste, and there we go. So it should, if everything goes well, give you this ID right here. That's your container ID. Now going on down here, all we need to do left is use that container ID it just gave us to publish the container. And then our stuff will be on Instagram. So this was something from earlier. I'm going to paste in my new container ID. And you're going to need your container ID, access token, account ID. See here, you got your account ID still. You have your access token pasted in. And now we have our new creation ID, container ID. This needs to be creation underscore ID, otherwise it won't work. And then you paste in the value that it gave you back. Once you've built it out, copy, go back to the terminal, paste, and enter. Now sometimes it might not work because it hasn't finished uploading to the servers, but let's check it out. So, okay, sweet. So if it hangs like this, that usually means you're good to go, and it shouldn't take longer than 10 or 20 seconds to actually upload. Now, ideally, something like this comes back with ID and your number. That's the ID for your post. Let's go over to my Instagram, reload the page, and there we go. We have officially used the Instagram API to post to Instagram. So I'll be sure to post this in the description, all the steps, everything like that. Now, if you want to do more than just, post it in the terminal and use that big request, I can also make a tutorial on how to kind of create like a mobile app where you can choose from your camera roll or a website or something like that, maybe extend some functionality. But that would really extend this video, and I feel like a lot of people are just here to see how to use the API. So if you want something like that, go ahead and comment down below. But otherwise, thank you for watching and have a good one.